Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the cable for the display panel here. You can see it there hanging down. You just pull out the drawer. Now you could probably put the drawer on top if you have the room, or just get it out. First of all, the cable has a set of pins, and there's a little indicator here on the bottom that slides into the pin holder here. So you line that bottom guide up like so. Don't force it in, make sure you line it up properly. Make sure we do this right. Okay. Here it goes. Push it in, and then you turn that outer ring clockwise, and that locks it. Here, let's see if that does it. Okay, now it's locked in. Okay, to take it out, you turn this counterclockwise, the outer ring, and pull it out. Now here's the outer ring right here. And then to take the cable off, you have to take the display off, the interface. And there's 3 screws here. It's pretty simple. It's not a hard job. Same thing as if you're changing the display panel. This is an early 700 series. It's got the zone button on it. It's got a single compressor, which I removed because this unit is over 20 years old, and we replaced it with a newer model. And we're just going to take these parts out and hold on to them in case somebody needs them. So here's the interface. So you just pull out this cable and harness here, like that. There's your interface. You loosen up this screw here. And you want to take this off because you have to slide that down. Let me move the stuff out of the way here. Flip this over. And you might want to pull this off. No, let me get another screwdriver. Okay, so get a flathead screwdriver, and you gonna have to remove this. It's glued on. Here's the cable right there. You have to glue it back on when you're done. And you can pull the cable through right there. Save this because you can put it back on. See, you have to remove that clip that's attached to the this clip right here. is. Here's the cable. To put it in, you just fish it in through here, bring it back up through here, put on the clip, plug it in, and hook up your harness here. This is a let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin. I also have another one of these cables right here. I saved these just in case. You never know. Okay, so the same thing for changing the interface and the cable. Thanks for watching.